Good morning, this is Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and welcome back to my daily vlog. Let me just tell you, I am really enjoying doing these. I mean, there's some effort, there's some work that you have to do with editing and, you know, processing and then uploading and all of that, but it has really got me out of bed every morning and in this chair every day with the intent to work. Sometimes I do better than others, but at least I'm in the position to do it. For you, those of you that are new here, I am a full-time reseller on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. And I had a couple sales yesterday. I thought I would share those with you. I thought I'd share those with you briefly, and then we'll just talk about the plan of attack for today. This is a tile that I just bought. I think I just listed this Sunday. It is again upside down, and this is a Triton tile. I paid $1 for it, and it's sold for $10 plus shipping. I had it priced higher, but again, I am in that mindset right now of sell it and get it out the door, make a profit, move on. This is a pair of Puma Knickerbocker style golf pants. So they've got that kind of poof out at the knee, and then they're banded at the right below the knee, and they button. I've had these for a long time, and I still have another pair because I thought, you know, these aren't selling, so let's buy another pair. Anyway, these sold for $20, and they're going to Florida, where I'm not sure right now if it's warm enough to play golf in Florida. Maybe Miami. This is a set of cones for a Black & Decker citrus juicer. A juicer I probably should not have bought, just because it's so inexpensive to start with. But I did sell the cones. I paid $1 for the juicer. Sold the cones for $5.99 plus shipping, and of course, I still have all the other parts for it. Here is a pair of Dansko sandals. Yes, their sandals sell too. These are in pretty good condition. I may have bought these for my vacation and then not worn them because of the heel. But, because I just can't do anything with a heel anymore. First world problems. These sold for $22.49. I think I just listed this on Sunday as well. This is a super shooter, like food press, cookie press kind of thing that I bought for $2.50. It sold for $18.99 plus shipping. And finally, even though you can't see them because I've got them wrapped up a little bit already, it's a little, you can see a turtley head. Here's his turtley head. Turtle. It is a mosaic turtle lamp, and I tend to buy all of the lamps like this that I find, whether they be mosaic stained glass or just molded glass like an amber, because they always sell and I always make money on them. This sold for $22 over on Mercari, and usually I pay about $4 or $5 for those, and that might not be enough profit for some folks, but you know, all of those little things add up, especially when they're not hard to list. That's a little bit more difficult to ship, but not bad. I am going to have to buy some bubble wrap, even though I ordered some yesterday, because it won't be here in time and I need to ship those items, so I'll do that in a little while. But really my main focus today, until about noon, excuse me, is to work on the items that I bought on Monday, try to get a few of those at least drafted. Typically, I've been trying to do this, and it's worked pretty well, is to list on Wednesday and Sunday. Those particular days, because my husband works longer hours on those days, so I don't have to fuss with stopping at a certain point to start dinner and stuff. I don't have to make things for him until later. So on those alternate days, I'll either shop or draft or nothing. There are days when I do nothing. But yeah, I swear that's what I'm going to try and do today, is get some things drafted. That's not that's Scout's Honors. That's what I'm going to try and do today. Not this. This means I'm fibbing. I always get that confused. Yeah, so that's what I've got going. And we'll see how it goes. That's the plan. Tell me what your schedule is. I'm very fortunate in that I don't have small children. I don't have a day job. Just me and my husband here. So anyway, let me know how it is in your house. Since this is really kind of one-sided unless you comment. I really appreciate getting your comments, and I will come back later with the question of the day. Hang in there. We'll see you in a bit. So, question of the day. Because I don't know everything or even anything, I thought I'd throw this out here because I'd like to hear what you have to say about it. So you all know what Vero is. Maybe you don't. It's the Verified Rights Owner program that eBay has, where if a verified rights owner, Gerber, 3M, whoever, says that you can't sell their product or you can't use their particular lingo in your listing, then eBay will pull the listing. And if you have too many of these violations, they will suspend your account for 2 days or a day, up to indefinitely. So my question to you is, what experiences have you had with that? Now, there are some common ones, and I'll throw those out. I mentioned 3M. You can't use the word Velcro in your listing. You have to use hook and loop. And even if your item has Velcro and it is Velcro, 3M brand, still don't use the word Velcro because they will pull the listing. You can't use the word onesie. I like my air quotes. Onesie. Can't use that because Gerber doesn't let you use their word onesie. And there are a lot of others where you can't sell the companies won't let you sell their item. There's tons of them. I want you to tell me what experiences you've had with Vero violations. Have you had your listings pulled? Which company was it? Because I want to share that information, because people don't know what they don't know, and you don't generally know if there's been a Vero violation until you get your listing pulled. Even eBay does not have a complete list of all of the companies and phrases that you can't use that would constitute a Vero violation. So anyway, I just wanted that's the question of the day. What experiences have you had with Vero, V-E-R-O, with eBay? Okay, it is 2:43 in the afternoon, and I get some rosy red cheeks. I'm not feeling too hot. Anyway, I drafted about 26 items today. I have not made any live yet. I still have to take some pictures. But I still haven't shipped my items yet, which I normally do in the morning, but my day's kind of turned around because of some stuff I got to do later. So I'm going to do my shipping, get that done. I haven't worked any on my graphic novel yet. I'm hoping that I can get that done. Maybe I can get an hour. Maybe I can get an hour of it done and then go check on the grandkids. So anyway, that's about my day so far. I'm not saying that I won't stop at a thrift store. Like, it could happen, which I'm okay with. I got through a lot of stuff that I bought the other day. So anyway, if I do, I'll show you what I bought tomorrow. But I'm going to wrap this up so the video doesn't get too long. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you spending your day with me. And like, comment, subscribe, because, you know, that helps me out. And just remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming and keep working. And I'll see you the next time. Goodbye. I don't know why I always do this like Beverly Hillbillies. I feel like Beverly Hillbillies whenever I'm doing this. All of them. I feel like all of the Beverly Hillbillies. Mostly Ellie Mae. Or Jethro. Bye.